Okay, I have it.
Okay. So it says list your names, group members. Okay. So do you see where it says step one?
Again, please.
Here, let's see. Can you see my screen right now with this Word document?
Yes.
Do you have this document or no?
Yes. Yes.
So I guess for the 7 steps, there's six. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we actually have to write about. What if we just do? I'll do one. You can do. We both have to do two. You can do two. I can do four. You can do five. And I can do six. I guess we can do it together.
Okay.
How's that sound? Does that look okay?
Yes.
Okay. So it says, design the study. You are to create your own research question based off of the interest of the group. Here's a list of a few examples of previous students to give you your possible ideas. This list is not an exhaustive list. Please be creative in forming your research question. So basically, we have to come up with a question that are similar to these, right?
Yes.
There are 1,000 chips in every bag of Chips Ahoy. Are brand A paper towels stronger than brand B? Is there a difference in prices of bookstores at BYU Idaho bookstore compared to those available online? Are men or women more likely to walk on the grass if they are walking behind someone who walks on the grass? Okay.
Yes.
Any ideas for a question?
Yeah, I was thinking about I don't know. Uh, maybe. Uh, mm,
Let's see. Maybe. So, what were you thinking?
I was thinking the um, if students at the university prefers printed textbooks or digital.
Okay, I like it. Okay, so what if I say we are trying to determine if students prefer written textbooks or digital textbooks? How's that sound?
Yeah.
So what population will we just do? BYU Idaho students?
Yeah, maybe online students.
Online students. So I'm going to change this to BYU Idaho online. Students prefer written textbooks. Let's see. So number 3, what is your experimental unit? In other words, what is the smallest entity from which you are collecting a single piece of data? I don't quite get this question. Do you understand what that's asking?
No, I don't. Not the smallest entity from.
I guess students. So smallest entity from which you're collecting a single piece of data. So we're going to collect our data from online students, right?
Yeah.
I guess. What is your response variable? Prefer online textbooks versus, I'll put digital.
It's like a hypothesis, no?
What?
This question is like the hypothesis, the null hypothesis.
I guess, is that, maybe I'm wrong. It's like, what is our null hypothesis?
I don't know. I think so.
I think that comes in at number 7. So I think this is like, what are they going to tell us when we ask them,
Okay.
what response do we want?
Okay, I got it.
To whether they prefer digital. Here, sorry, I think I stopped sharing my screen. Maybe I'll share it again. Or paper textbooks. So our response variable is categorical, right?
Yes. Okay, it depends because if we record the answers and for why they prefer that kind of format, it's categorical. But if we just record the number of students, it's quantitative, right?
I think it's categorical both ways because we're not asking them like how many of anything. We're asking them like which category do you prefer?
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so which statistical method are you going to use for your study? Should be one of the following 8 methods.
This could be categorical test of one proportion.
Yep, I think so. Okay, so what are your null and alternative hypotheses? So null would be think?
Uh,
What would you think? Do you think people like digital or paper textbooks better?
when I was thinking about this kind of study, I was reading an article about it, and it
Okay.
says that is uh, some students prefer paper because they understand better the ideas.
Yeah.
But yeah, and I think
So our null hypothesis will be students, online students at BYU, Idaho prefer paper textbooks, right?
yes,
Our alternative, and that's like HA
yeah,
something equals online students, BYU, Idaho prefer
digital,
digital textbooks. That make sense?
yeah.
Okay. Number 8, which sampling method will your group use? Let's see. Just random sample, right?
Yes, of course.
So how will your group collect data using the sample method? So how do you want, I guess we will email a survey
Yes,
to students
yeah,
and ask them which kind of textbook they like better.
yeah.
How many, what do you want our sample size to be?
Mm,
Like 30?
I think more than 30.
What do you think? Like 50?
Yeah,
Okay. Please review the requirements in the text for your chosen method from step 6. Let's see, categorical test of one proportion. Let's see, where do we find that in a textbook? You know the answer to this one? Number 10?
I was thinking the previous question about the sample size, and we need
Uh-huh.
at least 20. The minimum
20?
minimum is 20.
Okay. Okay.
What is the question?
So the next, it is, please review the requirement. Oops. Let's see. Please review the requirements in the text for your chosen method from step 6. Discuss why your study is in alignment with the requirements. So I think I found it here. NP is greater than or equal to 10. I don't know the answer to this question.
Yeah, I think the sample is obtained from a simple random sample. This is the first requirement, I think so.
So we will obtain a simple random sample. Maybe I can research that later and let you know what I come up with and see if you agree.
Okay.
So 11, yes, we will use human subjects. 12 is also yes, conducting a survey. Attach a draft of your survey. So what do we want the survey to say? Do you prefer, let's see, which of the following do you prefer? And then we have paper, book, textbooks, paper textbooks, and digital textbooks.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not allowed to collect data until our project has been approved.
Yeah, of course.
So, you okay with that? Okay. I think we're done. I'll look into number 10. I think this isn't due till Saturday.
Okay, okay.
So I'll look into number 10 and then I'll send it to you. And if you're okay with it, we'll turn it in. How's that sound?
Yeah, and perhaps we need to check again the sample size.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll read and see. I think it says we should probably have a minimum of 30
Yeah.
in the book. Does that ring a bell to you? Does that sound familiar?
What? Again, please?
Does a sample size of 30 sound familiar? Do you remember the book saying that?
Yeah, it says because if it's more than 30 or at least 30, the sample is normal distributed.
So maybe we'll put 30. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, I gotta get going. But thank you all. Sorry, I can't do the group quiz. I gotta go.
Yeah. Okay, don't worry.
But yeah, I'll let you know when I have the answer to that question, and I'll see what you think.
Yeah, so see you next Tuesday at the same time.
Yep, I'll be ready next Tuesday. So
Okay.
thanks, Chris. We'll see ya.
See you.